Hey everybody, Mike here, getting ready to take a hike to a waterfall. Let's go. Hey everybody, so built a little makeshift shelter out of a poncho we brought up with us. Getting ready to cook up some food. We're not quite to the top of the falls yet. The total climb, the total gain, a little over 2.5 mile hike, is about 1,300 feet. And we probably have another, well, maybe 200 feet or so to go to the top of the falls. Steep climb. But right now, we're just taking a break. We're gonna eat some food. And I just wanted to plug this. So I used this contraption on my last hike. I'll put a link in the description below. But it's a little. I was at the store and I was trying to. I was just going to get some more propane, but I was also thinking, like, damn, propane is like, it's kind of big and bulky. It's hard to pack, and I've seen this. And this is also got to grab the magic element, which is the canned heat. I don't know if anybody's ever used this or heard of it. I know I didn't when I was at the store, and I seen it, and I thought I'd give it a go. I didn't really plug it in my last video because it was my first time using it, but it worked out really well. It's super small, lightweight, easy to pack, and if you want to heat something up, get warm, or whatever, this is a great little tool. Especially if you're not lighting fires, or if you want to consolidate and bypass the bulky propane. This is a great option. And I'll do a quick setup again just to show you how it works while I get my soup ready. But I thought I'd just share it. It's just a little purple gel in a can. You light it with a match or a lighter, and it lights up. And all you got to do is put the cap back on. You can reuse it multiple times. This lasts about 2.5 hours, and so you can reuse it up to that amount of time. So I think it's awesome. I guess the only downside is that it's creating some waste. So ideally, be making some fires. Hopefully in future videos we can do a little bit of bushcraft. But for now, this works for me. So let's make some grub. Yeah. Again, that's the canned heat. There may be other brands. This is the one I found. If you know of any better ones, let me know. Again, ideally I'd be making a fire, but you know, right now haven't quite got to that point on this channel. So let's eat. So I'm just here finishing up my grub. We started the hike about a little before 8:30. Right now it's almost 11. We still have a ways up to the falls. Right now you probably see some shots of the lower falls, which is where we're at right now. So we've still got quite a steep climb to the top. Maybe another half hour, 45 minutes. But it's gonna be steep. It's gonna be a hike. You've seen how high up the falls are. That's where we're going. So if you're still with me, I appreciate it. Stick around. We'll make it to the top of the falls. We'll get some good shots. Also, if you hit the subscribe button, we can keep going on more hikes. So I appreciate you watching. We'll see you at the top.